Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce property taxes with Zillow step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Zillow website. Once on the home page, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter your property address into the search bar and hit enter. After the search results load, click on your property from the list that appears. This will take you to the property details page. Scroll down to find the property tax information section. Review the current tax assessment to ensure its accuracy. Take note of any discrepancies you find, such as an overestimated value. Next, gather relevant documents that support your claim, like recent home appraisals or comparable sales. Use Zillow to find recent sales of similar properties in your area. Make sure the properties you choose are comparable in size, condition, and location. Once you have your evidence, go back to the property details page. Look for the option to appeal your property assessment, typically listed with tax information. Follow the prompts to begin the appeal process, filling in your personal and property details as required. Attach any supporting documents that back up your appeal. Provide a clear explanation of why you believe your property is overvalued. Submit your appeal before the deadline, which may vary by jurisdiction. After submission, keep an eye on your email for any updates from your local tax authority. Be prepared to present your case at a hearing if necessary. Check back on Zillow and your local tax authority's website for the outcome of your appeal. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce your property taxes using Zillow's resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.